Welcome back. Let's start with switch statement. So using the switch statement, we test a series of conditions with the help of one or more cases which are tested against the switch expression. Sort of the expression we define in our switch statement. So depend upon the execution of that expression, we define more than one cases, and whatever the case is going to match with that expression evaluated value, that case would be executed here. So the case which meet the result would be executed. A result we calculate using the switch expression. When there is no case meet the result, then the default case would be executed, because every switch statement must have a default case, just like we have the else statement in the if ladder. So let's understand with the help of a diagram. So we will have a switch statement having an expression. So whatever the value evaluated by the expression, so to handle that value we define here more than one cases, like case 1, case 2 and case 3. So if the evaluated result is going to match with the case 1, then the case 1 block would be executed. If the evaluated value will match with the case 2, then the case 2 block would be executed, and so on. If there is no matching case, then the default case block would be executed here. So let's understand with the help of an example. So I have my Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, let's say we want to find out whether the enter alphabet is vowel or consonant. So here I can write the switch case to find out whether the alphabet is vowel or consonant. Switch, then use a ch, like character I'm trying to find out, and for the character we can write like case A. If it is A, then write the message console dot write line, so it is vowel. And in C# every case must terminate with the break statement, but in C and the C++ it is not mandatory to put the break statement, but in C# it is mandatory. Then write the same cases again, like E, I, O, U. So we can use here for E, because E is also a vowel, I, O and U. So if one of the character you will enter here, let's say if one of the alphabet you will enter here, like either A, E, I, O, U, it shows the message as vowel. If you will not enter any one of the alphabet, we will get as not vowel, like not. Now run the program and see. Please enter an alphabet. I'm using here, let's say A I'm entering. You can see I'm getting here vowel. Now run it and enter here at say T I'm entering. I'm getting here as not vowel. And guys, here if more than one cases in your switch statement are doing the same thing, so better way is, instead of writing all these cases separately, we can combine together as well. So let's see how we can combine together. So we can remove all these things here. In this way. And just cut from here, and I'm going to combine all the cases here this way, because in all the cases we are showing the same message, we are doing the same thing. So better way is we should combine all the cases here. So let's run the code. Now enter either here E, I will get the message as vowel, either enter as A, I will get the message as vowel. But if you will not enter the one of the alphabet, you will get the message as not vowel. So in this way, using the switch statement, based upon the switch statement expression, we are going to execute these cases. So whatever the expression we have here, based upon that we define all the possible cases. If one of them is matching, it will be executed. If none of them is matching, it will execute this default case.